This is the single user RMI instant message tool that I implement. And as you can see, we are using the NetBeans to develop this application. And let's talk about the basic structure of this application. We have the server here. This is the interface of the server. And then we have its implementation. And then we have the client side, the interface of the client, and the implementation of this interface. And for the clients, we use the architecture, the model view control architecture that we have the model, the control, and the view. The model here we have the user status, which includes edit status and online status. And then we also have the structure for the message. And then we have this controller which kind of control, it kind of implements all the functions that has been defined in the client side. Then we have this form, which is the view, and the basic user interface for the clients. So let's get started running the program. For this, first we need to run the RMI registry. Okay, we get it run, and then we start running the server. As we see that the server now is ready. So what we do next is to run a client. There we go, we get the clients up. We have the clients 885, and note that the 885 is the ID that we randomly assign to the clients when he connect to the user, to the server. And so as we see, this is the basic user interface for the clients. On the left, we have this friends online. That's the friend list for the friends list that shows all the clients currently connected to the server. And then we have the status, which is the status of the clients, and then we have the topic that we can edit, and then we have this message history, and then we have this text box for sending typing message and send it out. So there are 4 use cases that we will show now, and they are like the sending message, and also update the editing status, and also update the user status, and also change the topic. I will show it one by one. Let's look at the first. Hi, that's the sending the message. Hi, this is Hotel One. So we got this message sent out. As we see that that's the client sending a message to the server, and the server get the message, and then it call the clients back to ask the client to display the message. And we see that the mess here, when we are displaying a record, we have this timestamp, and also we have the client's name and what it says. And this is kind of the sending message part. And for the second use case is the update of the chatting status, editing status. So as you pay attention to this part, when we are typing things, the editing status get changed. That shows we are typing. That's we are actively editing this box. But if we stop editing, it change back to we have typed something because there's something already in this text box. But if we send this out, the editing status change back to idle. And this is pretty cool. And then we have another function, test the deletion. So we are typing things, so we kind of delete them. When we delete all the message, all the text that we has input, the editing status change back to the idle. And the third case is we change the online status. We change from idle, busy, and offline. As we can see, in the friends list, the client's status get changed when we change our status. And the last one is the topic editing. And since this is single user application now, we don't have too much fancy functions to show in this case, but that's all of it. Now, of course, I've already implemented a multiple user application, but I will show it in another video. And that's all. Thank you.